Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to create polished, professional-looking flowcharts in Canva step by step. Whether you're organizing ideas for a new project, mapping out a process for work, or just want to make something visually appealing for school, by the end of this video, you'll have the confidence to build your own custom flowchart from scratch using Canva's super easy tools. Let's get started. You'll be surprised how quickly you can make something awesome. First things first, you'll want to head over to Canva. Just open up your browser and go to canva.com. Now, if you haven't used Canva before, don't worry, it's very user-friendly and a lot of the features we'll use today are totally free. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, you can sign up super quickly with your email or Google account. Once you're inside, you'll see Canva's main dashboard, which has all sorts of options for different designs. Next, look for the Create button, usually up in the top right corner. It might say Create a Design or just Create, depending on your device. Give that a click. This is like opening a fresh page in a sketchbook, the blank canvas, so to speak, where all your creative magic happens. In the search bar that pops up, type flowchart. This is an important step because Canva has a ton of templates for all kinds of projects, presentations, social media posts, posters, but we want to narrow it down to flowcharts. By searching specifically for flowchart, you'll see a bunch of ready-made templates pop up designed just for this purpose. It really saves time and gives you a jumping-off point, especially if you're not sure where to start or if design isn't usually your thing. Now scroll through the selection and pick a template that catches your eye or feels right for the job. Don't stress if it isn't a perfect match. You'll be able to change nearly everything about it in just a moment. Consider what you need. Are you mapping a decision tree, outlining the steps in a process? Find a template whose layout fits what you have in mind, but remember, we can always tweak it later. Once you've selected a template, it opens up in Canva's editor. This is where you get to make it your own. Start by modifying the details in the chart to fit your specific needs. Click on the text inside the boxes and swap them out for your own steps or ideas. You can add, delete, or move boxes around to match your process. This part can take a few minutes, especially if you're figuring out the best flow for your information. Don't rush, take your time to make sure each piece makes sense and connects properly to the next. The beauty of digital flowcharts is that you can rearrange things as much as you need until it feels right. Once the core content is set, it's time to add designs and elements to bring your flowchart to life. Canva makes this part really fun. Think of it like decorating your notes or making a mind map more engaging. Play around with colors to highlight different steps or branches. You can add icons for a more visual touch, drag in shapes and lines to clarify connections, or even drop in your logo if you're making this for work. Remember, subtle design choices, like using arrows or color-coding sections, can help guide the viewer's eye and make your chart much easier to understand. Take a step back now and look at your design as a whole. Adjust any spacing, resize the boxes if things feel crowded, and make sure the flow is smooth and clear. This little review process can make a huge difference. If something doesn't look quite right, don't hesitate to tweak it. Canva auto-saves as you go, so there's no pressure. When you're totally happy with your flowchart, it's time to share and download your work. Just hit the share button at the top right here. You can invite teammates to view or edit or send a direct link. To download, choose your preferred format, maybe a PDF for printing or a PNG for a presentation slide. Hit download and that's it. You now have a custom flowchart ready to use wherever you need. And there you have it. Creating flowcharts in Canva is that simple. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into any bumps, drop a comment below. I'll do my best to help out. Be sure to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy flowcharting.